Today on Designing Spaces, how to make sure the appliances you use to clean things within your home are themselves clean. Tips and tricks to ensure your pool remains true blue. Why a metal roofing system will give you peace of mind. And upgrading your curb appeal. Time to design. We all have our personal ways to tidy our homes. But what about cleaning the machines that help us clean our home? Time to get to the bottom of cleaning up.
I cook every day. I'm up at 5 in the morning cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinners for these little munchkins.
But she doesn't eat anything.
I do. We are a family of 4 humans and 2 animals. And we are very active and love sports, love outdoors. We are the Jacobs family and we live in West Palm Beach, Florida. Our kitchen has all Whirlpool appliances and we can be happier. It's very easy to maintain, it's efficient, and it serves the purpose. I just recently found out that I have to clean my appliances.
A March 2023 study found that only 1 in 10 people actually know to clean their appliances. I would agree with that statement. I didn't even know to clean my appliances until a year or 2 ago. And now I use Affresh monthly and I love it. I put it right inside with my dishwasher and I don't even have to worry about my dishwasher smelling like last night's dinner. My name's Carly Holzner. I work for Whirlpool Corporation as the Affresh Associate Brand Manager. It's important to make sure that you're not washing your clothes in a dirty wash machine when you think that it's coming out, brand new. You want to make sure that the plates that you're eating off of were actually cleaned in a clean dishwasher.
Appliances are expensive.
And even getting more expensive.
True. You want to make sure we keep them around as long as possible.
When you own a home or a business, or even for renters, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your appliances. They're an expensive purchase, so you want to make sure that you're protecting your investment with routine maintenance and care from the use and care guides. You want to make sure that you're adding in Affresh monthly as well, so that you're optimizing and maintaining your machine's performance.
Not only Affresh products are very easy to use and they work very well, they also help to maintain and optimize the performance of my machines.
What's great about Affresh Appliance Care is that it doesn't just work on Whirlpool appliances, it works on all brands of appliances. Our Affresh Appliance Care is specially formulated to remove things like limescale and mineral buildup that can affect your appliance's performance. Each tablet is designed to clean inside of your machine.
The Affresh dishwasher tablets are very easy to use. You load your dishes in the dishwasher, put the tablet in. It cleans places that I can't see or reach. Run it and you have a clean dishwasher and dishes at the same time.
What's great about Affresh is that when you want to deep clean your dishwasher, you don't have to wait to do a separate load with the Affresh tablet. You can just throw it in with a load of dishes and be done.
The one thing I love about the Affresh products that are very easy to use. You need one tablet to get the job done.
Your dishwasher, your wash machine, your disposal, you want to make sure that you are cleaning them on a monthly basis, as well as following your use and care guidelines from your manufacturer as well. This way you always know that you're maximizing your machine's performance. In the laundry list of things that you need to clean, many people don't think to add the things that clean, like your wash machine and your dishwasher. I don't even like to clean in general, but I know that I wouldn't want to shower in a dirty shower, so why would I wash my dishes in a dirty dishwasher?
I found this little green box, and now I know to do it every month.
It's hard to remember to add another thing to your cleaning list, but we try to make it easy by adding a calendar on the side of the packaging so you can check off when you've cleaned your appliance every month. Spring cleaning is another great reminder to add appliances to your deep cleaning routine. Just use Affresh tablets monthly and then use it every month after.
I love Whirlpool. The Affresh product line is very helpful in maintaining our appliances in a good shape.
Optimize your machine's performance with the deep cleaning power of Affresh Appliance Care.
To learn more about Whirlpool Corporation's Affresh product line and what they can do to improve your home, visit affresh.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. As temperatures rise, it's time to think about getting outdoors. You know what that means. Time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the warm weather in your swimming pool with your family and friends. So making sure your pool is safe, clean, and summertime ready is important.
My name is Ramuna. My boys and I just moved into this house in this wonderful backyard a couple of months ago. We are looking forward to this big swimming season up ahead, and I'm really excited to have a pool for the first time, and I want it to look good, but I also want it to be safe.
Whether you're a new pool owner or have had one for a while, proper pool care is essential. That's why we're turning to a pool expert from HASA. They've been a leading producer and distributor of high-quality water treatment solutions since 1964. Recognized industry-wide as the premier source of sodium hypochlorite sanitation and shock solutions, they know a thing or two about pool care products.
Hey Jake, thanks for coming over.
Hey Ramuna, it's good to be here. The backyard's looking incredible.
Thank you for helping me do this. Having my beautiful pool is very important to me.
Of course. Well, I understand that you have some questions about how to properly care for your pool. Is that right?
Yes. It's wonderful having you here once a week, but if there's something that I should be doing, I want to be aware of that.
I recommend, having someone come at least once a week to just maintain proper pool care, but there are certain things that you can do to kind of maintain it on your own and just kind of educate yourself more on proper pool care.
It's not that difficult, but there are a handful of things you should probably get comfortable doing. First of all, testing your water and feel comfortable what balanced water looks like. Shocking your pool once a week to help oxidize any contaminants that might be in the pool that you don't know about. And then brushing your pool is very, very essential.
I keep hearing everyone talk about shock. What is that?
Essentially what you're doing is you're putting enough chlorine into the water to oxidize out very stubborn contaminants and really sparkle up that pool. So if you want that diamond sparkle in the pool, you get that through oxidizing. And you can do that with chlorine or even a non-chlorine shock.
It can be a little bit complicated at first, but with the right tools, keeping your pool clean can be completely manageable and something that you can do on your own. Especially, I understand you're going to be entertaining here a lot, having guests over. One really simple and easy way to maintain proper water balance is to install a liquid feeder.
Yeah, can you tell me a little bit more about the liquid feeder?
The HASA liquid feeder is a state-of-the-art daily sanitizer system designed to automatically feed swimming pools using their high-performance liquid sodium hypochlorite. Ideal for pool professionals or pool owners looking to keep pools safe, clean, and clear without the hassle of increased CYA from trichlor tablets. It's simple, eliminates the need for tab floaters, and is very easy to install.
So how often do I need to put the SaniChlor in here?
I recommend for yours, probably about every 2 weeks.
Great, seems easy.
Yeah, super simple.
Pools are in all shapes and sizes, but typically the average size pool is about 20,000 gallons. And the rule of thumb here is it's 1 gallon for every 10,000 gallons of water you have. So in this case, 2 gallons.
So what's the difference between the liquid chlorine versus the tablets I've seen other people use?
The main benefits to choose HASA SaniChlor over trichlor tablets are highest available chlorine, fast-acting, safe to use and transport, no cyanuric acid, and it provides a beautiful crystal clear look to the water.
Thank you, Jake. I really appreciate you showing me all those tips and introducing me to this liquid chlorine. I didn't realize how easy it could be for me to actually help take care of this, of course with you still coming once a week.
Of course. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, so I'll see you next week.
Same time next week.
Awesome, thank you.
Of course.
Pool looks amazing, and it's been so much fun to have my kids jumping in and out with all their friends today. I'm so thankful that Jake was able to come here and show me all these great tips on how to keep it clean. I would definitely recommend it to my friends who have pools, although I kind of don't want their pool to look as good as mine.
To learn more about pool care solutions we've discussed today, visit hasa.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.
Hey there, I'm Scott David. You're watching Designing Spaces. Today on the show, we're talking about metal roofing. We're here in beautiful sunny South Florida, teamed up with our partners from Fabral Metal Wall and Roof Systems to take you through an education on understanding and exploring the benefits of a metal roof. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Joni Moss. I live in this home with my 2 daughters, my husband, my 2 dogs. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. When we bought the house 3 years ago, we did have a couple concerns about the roof. and we started to get a couple of leaks, so we knew eventually it was going to be time to replace it. I wasn't really too familiar with metal roofing. Being an older neighborhood, a ton of roofs were going on, and some of them were metal, some of them were tile, but I wanted to know more. I wanted to learn about the pros and the cons of metal roofing.
Metal roofing is gaining popularity amongst homeowners because when you compare it to your traditional asphalt or tile roof, metal roofing can last up to 40 years or longer, whereas your traditional asphalt roof would need to be replaced every 15 to 20 years. Metal roofing is also energy efficient for summer and winter months, as well as environmentally friendly. It can be recycled at the end of its useful life and is made from recycled material. Lastly, adding a metal roof to your home can dramatically increase the curb appeal of your home.
Hey, Trice.
Hey, Scott.
Trice is the contractor replacing the roof on Jonelle's house. Trice, talk to me a little bit about some of the benefits of a metal roof system.
So the main benefit is going to be the longevity, the durability that it provides, and the wind resistance.
Gotcha.
They're very low maintenance, so once the installation is done, you really don't have to think about your roof much more.
So it makes it easier for the homeowner.
Absolutely.
Talk to me, I've heard a couple times there's a lightning concern because it's metal. I mean, is that a myth, a misconception a lot of homeowners have?
Yes, it is. We've been installing metal roofs and roofs in general for over 30 years down here, and we have not seen anything that will attest to that being any true.
So another thing I've noticed, you've got all these different types of materials on these houses. A lot of homeowners seem to have this other misconception that they have to stick with what they've got. So if they've got a tile or an asphalt shingle that they can't change to something like a metal roof. Is that also a misconception that's open for a homeowner to make a difference or a change in their?
Yes, it is. And it depends on different association requirements, but from a just pure standpoint of changing your roof material, they can absolutely have the option of changing to a metal roof during a re-roof process.
Fabral was founded in 1967 in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and is widely considered one of the benchmark manufacturers for metal roof and wall systems. With 8 manufacturing facilities across the United States, Fabral is ready to service any metal roof or wall system project you have. Our color visualizer allows homeowners to go to our website, upload a picture of their own home, or choose from some stock photography, and really visualize the possibilities of a new metal roof on their home. From there, they can pick between products and colors and have confidence in their selection.
Jonelle made a great choice going with the Fabral metal roof system. Not only is it going to make the house look great, but it's going to provide tremendous amount of peace of mind. It's also not something she's going to have to think about replacing for a very long time. A metal roof system like this can outlast traditional asphalt or tile roofs for years and years to come.
So I met with the homeowner and we discussed all of her options from going from a tile roof to a metal roof. We discussed all the color selections that she had available to her, the benefits of going with the metal roof, and then once everything was decided, we went ahead and moved forward with the permitting process, which we took care of. Once everything was approved, we came out, we removed the existing tile roof, checked the structure to make sure that everything was sound and ready to start laying the underlayment. And once the underlayment was finished and nailed down, we started installing the metal panels to complete the roof.
Fabral's color visualizer was a really cool tool. I got to upload a picture of my home, and then from there I got to choose different colors, different patterns to put on the actual picture of my home and see what it was going to turn out like.
Fabral metal roofs not only offer homeowners protection for 40+ years from the elements, they're also backed by a 30-year paint warranty protecting against chalking and fading. No matter if your project is big or small, a Fabral metal roof has you covered. Homeowners should have confidence that putting a metal roof on their house should stand the test of time.
We love the way our metal roof turned out. It really adds a modern, sleek look to our home.
To learn more about how you can choose the right metal roof system for you, visit Fabral.com, or you can check us out at designingspaces.tv.
There's no hard and fast rule when it comes to upping your curb appeal, but first impressions are everything. Today we're going to show you how coloring driveways and walkways is an easy and effective way to make your home stand out.
Curb appeal is tremendously important. It's always the first impression of a home, so it deserves proper attention. With so many homes, the first two elements that you see will be a driveway or a walkway. Yet these are often overlooked whenever people are redoing their spaces. It's incredible the difference that you can make with decorative concrete just by adding color to these two spaces.
Just ask homeowner Sherry Anderson, who knew she needed a change.
Well, we love our home. We knew ever since moving in that we wanted to update the front. With the amount of concrete with our 2 driveways and entryway, we knew that that was going to be the area for us to focus on initially.
So this project was very interesting. The home has somewhat of a modern vibe, but it was hidden behind very bland and boring concrete. We discussed several different options that would help bring this concrete to life, really by taking the modern design of the home and extending it to the curb. When we first saw the pictures of the Andersons' home, it was very clear to us that decorative concrete was going to make a huge impact on the look of their home.
What I love about what we do at Direct Colors is we get to introduce decorative concrete to so many people that don't realize this is a great option for making a home or making a business something special, a unique way to improve a space from a standpoint of floors, walls, countertops, patios, decks, anything you can think of. Restaurants use this, applications on sidewalks. Again, there's a great opportunity to take something where you typically walk on concrete, you see it everywhere you go, but yet you don't realize that you could take it and make it special. And what I love is that we offer so many different ways to make that happen. All the different colors, all the different solutions, all found in one place with some amazing project specialists that will really help guide you every single step of the way.
While researching our options for concrete applications, I went online and everywhere we looked, we would see Direct Colors. We were able to touch base with a product specialist with Direct Colors, and they were able to direct us to the best products and applications that best fit our needs.
I believe customers are interested in our products really for 3 primary reasons. One is selection. We have one of the largest selections available on the market for decorative concrete products, so we can sell into just about any project. Another thing is trust. We've been around for a long time, over 20 years. And with the presence, we've become very reputable in the business. We have thousands of 5-star reviews. Customers trust what we do. And I would say a third component would be our service. The service side of the business is amazing. We have a customer support team that is second to none. We have project specialists with years of experience to help guide customers through the process. And we stay with them from beginning to end to make sure they get the job done right.
There are 3 main steps to every concrete project. The first is to assess and prep the concrete surface. For concrete that's in rough shape, can be ground down, sanded, or an overlay. For concrete that's in good condition, you can simply power wash it to remove any dirt and debris. Next is to apply the stain according to the manufacturer's recommended process. With Direct Colors, you can simply follow their how-to guides, which dictates either rolling it on or spraying it on. Last is to apply the number of recommended coats of sealer to protect your finish.
This has far exceeded all of my expectations. I love my new home. Thank you to Direct Colors for bringing a product that is as simple as staining your ugly gray concrete and beautifying an entire home with that.
With decorative concrete, the possibilities are infinite. And since concrete is the second most consumed product in the world after water, there are endless ways to take the bland and make it BAM. From patios, garages, driveways, to inside surfaces such as flooring, countertops, and walls, you're only limited by your imagination. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.